I'm an internal medicine physician. I've been here at Virginia Mason in one form or another for 35 years. I'm the seventh CEO. Each of us has been a practicing physician. It's very much part of our culture. I think it gives us the opportunity to know at a very deep level what it's like to take care of patients day in and day out. And I think it's helped us build a culture here of innovation, creativity, but all very aligned on what's in the best interest of each and every individual patient. Team medicine is very much part of how we do our work here at Virginia Mason. It's deeply embedded in our culture. It was present from the days of our founders, who actually founded the first group practice in the Pacific Northwest, believing that physicians working together did better for patients. Today, our notion of team includes doctors, nurses, technicians, really the entire care team, but also patients and families. And an unprecedented ability to coordinate care, to bring all of the necessary minds and ideas right there centered on each and every individual patient is what team medicine is really all about. Most of our faculty are active teachers, active researchers. Even though we're not a university, we have our own training programs, training over 100 residents, so physicians of the future. That keeps all of us very current and very up to date, but also active in research and discovery. The Ben Arroyo Research Institute of Virginia Mason and our clinical research programs help the entire milieu, the entire Virginia Mason team really stay at the cutting edge of healthcare. I grew up in Michigan and actually worked in my father's hardware store for up until my senior year in medical school. I'm married to my high school sweetheart. We're celebrating our 40th anniversary this summer. Have 2 children and have 2 grandchildren. It's a real privilege to be a physician, and we are allowed into the lives of our patients at their most intimate personal moments. And for me, that's a calling. That's something that's a sacred trust, an opportunity to really make a difference in the life of another human being. And I don't think there's anything that could be more rewarding, more fulfilling.